DJ Nature, Africa waits its creator, hotter than the equator. You keep the faith, yeah.
Hello brothers, sisters, here Okodo. So still on the Jamaican dish, today I'll be showing you how to prepare ackee and saltfish, the popular and the national dish in Jamaica. A delicious food, and trust me, you can never resist this food. So this video will give my Ghanaian brothers or the West African brothers the idea to prepare ackee fruit, since we have a lot of them in West Africa or Ghana and we are not benefiting that much from it because we're told it's poisonous. Yes, it's poisonous, but once you allow the fruit or the pod to open by itself, the poison chemical is no more. It's been neutralized, okay? And that's when it becomes a food. So I repeat, make sure that the pod open by itself because you use it to prepare food. If not, you have the chemical reaction in your system. It's very easy to prepare, and trust me, you really love it. And I'm waiting for a Ghanaian to come out with a dish called ackee with tomato sauce or palm oil. Aze or kodo. And once it's ready, it can be served to rice, yam, plantain, potatoes, etc. Jack, the Jamaicans are really enjoying this food, Ankasa. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is your first time watching, can you subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother, let's do this, and make sure you share.
This ackee, this is our national dish.
Okay, national dish, yeah.
Yes.
So you could make him do the preparation.
I already cleaned this on.
This is how you take them out of the pod. You take out this like this.
Yeah, okay. The seed.
And you take out this as well.
Okay, the ready spot.
You use a knife some of the times.
Oh, okay.
You take it out like this.
Okay.
And that's ready to go in the pot.
In the pot, okay. So this is a national dish in Jamaica, ackee.
Yes.
Ackee with saltfish, right?
Yeah,
Ackee and saltfish.
So those who requested for ackee video, man, this is what it is. So what's good now? Tradition goes on. We light a fire over here. So this is Checo with the trees, the dry trees. It's the same thing. Yeah. We do the same thing in Africa, in Ghana also.
Okay.
To light a fire.
Yes.
The same thing with the fun.
Yes.
This one over here is my auntie. She's my auntie. Interesting.
We light in the coal fire.
Light in the coal fire. How do you say that?
Coal fire.
Light in the coal fire.
Coal stove.
Yeah, coal stove.
This is the coal stove.
Yeah.
But they have the other one that you put on legs.
Yeah, the legs.
Like that, what they do the grill on.
Oh, okay. I'm Joycelyn. So the ackee, is it an everyday food or occasional? The ackee, everyday food.
If me love it.
You love it every day?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But it's not all the while we have it. Some of the time we don't have it. The season out.
Oh, okay. The season. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
And some of the time when I get it, I clean it, put it in the freezer.
Okay. To store it.
So when the season out, now you can get a little to use.
Then you have it.
Right. Until when the season come back. I really know it's not the real season now.
Okay.
It would be bearing more than that.
Okay. Okay.
But this ackee trees are never ending. It always bear.
Okay. Always bear. Okay. So that's a good Samaritan.
Right.
That's a good tree over there. Okay. So this saltfish.
Saltfish in it. So that to take some of the salt from it.
Oh, okay.
The boil up.
Oh, okay.
Take some of the salt out of it so that the ackee not too salt.
Oh, okay. Okay. So this is my water for the ackee.
For the ackee, yes.
Okay.
Yes. This is the ackee.
Okay.
I wash it. Some people don't wash it, but I wash it.
Wash it. Okay. So.
Because some of the time it take up gravel on it.
Okay. So this is ackee and it's going inside the hot.
One now,
right.
Sorry,
man. So we have pepper inside the boiling water already, and the ackee is coming. So this is a national dish in Jamaica. Ackee with salted fish. So how long would it be on fire?
How long?
Yeah, how long? Yeah.
Depends on how hard the ackee is.
Oh, yeah, depends how hard it is. Oh, okay.
Some islands are do no evil. Me still a yellow.
I'm gonna put this in there.
On top of it. Okay. So she did a quick boil over there to take some of the salt out.
Right.
And now we have them together over here.
Right.
Wow.
We're gonna cover them now and let them cook.
Okay.
Now sell my soul to no devil. Girls I sell out for Kentucky 2-piece. Drive new Jeep and a ton blue piece. Whatever you saw.
So it's been like 10-15 minutes since it's been on fire. And we are testing to see if it's soft.
About 5 minutes.
Under 5 minutes?
Yeah,
okay.
about 5 minutes.
And the aroma coming is like urban PC, you know, with the Kobe on top. Can smell the fishy aroma now.
Well, I know say no one can serve two masters, but either he will hate the one and love the other. He will hold one and despise the other. You cannot serve God and serve money, you know. I know that the Lord
So these are saltfish, and we're breaking into pieces, taking all the bones out.
will maintain the cause of the afflicted and justice for the poor. For you have been a defense for the helpless and a defense for the needy in distress. For the love of
Garlic.
Okay, and pepper. To just give flavor to the ackee. This is our saltfish. So it's kind of fishy, kind of sauce. So now the ackee goes in like that. Okay. Then this ackee, Jamaican national food, this is how it's done. Man, it looks like a crumbled egg. Yeah, the flavor, the saltfish is giving the flavor is crazy. So this is an everyday food, and it is what it is. So a bit of spices to give the flavor, black pepper on top of it. So flavor to it. Wow. Yeah, look at this. Wow. Interesting. So it's okay like that? Okay.
White flour.
White flour.
White flour,
okay.
counter flour.
Okay.
And this is whole wheat. So
Oh,
I'm
wheat,
gonna
okay.
put a little of
And
this
it's
in
inside,
there.
okay. So you have a whole wheat over here inside the flour.
And you can do it with the pure white.
Okay.
Right.
A bit of salt to taste.
Yes. And I'm going for a little coconut oil.
Okay.
Coconut oil
Okay.
to let it a little shelly.
Okay. So a bit of coconut oil inside the white flour and the whole wheat. So now mixing our the flour, the wheat and the oil together
Right.
with the salt.
Right.
So we're kneading it.
Water now.
selling your soul, sign your name in a blood. Camel will go through an eagle before a rich man enter in a Zion. Some lions not do no evil, me still a yell conquering lion. I'm not afraid to be poor. Me accept my level, no me not afraid of poor.
When you eat that, you stay filled for the whole day.
For the whole day, okay.
That's dumpling.
It's called dumpling.
Call it dumpling.
Dumpling, okay.
But when it finish, it's jack.
You don't boil this one, we bake this
You bake
one.
it, okay.
And then nice with the ackee and the saltfish.
Oh, okay.
Well, this is the dough.
The dough, yeah.
Right. This is how it was. So me take off this piece. So when we take off that and bring it, do it like this.
Okay.
You could put it on the table.
Yeah,
And
no,
you
no.
have a table out here.
Okay.
And roll it with a roller. Roll it out thin.
Make it flat.
Right, thin. Because they have the roller in there, but this space not there for it. So we do it like this and get it out thin.
Okay.
No do it.
This goes with the Ackee and the Jamaican national food.
Right.
This is how the baking, the jack. Yeah, so this is a jack. Yeah.
Roti.
Yeah, I wrote it. Okay, so
I'm going to turn it.
yeah. Oh. Yeah. Wow. So you don't need much fire to bake this.
No.
Yeah, if not, you burn it.
Right.
I'm not afraid to be poor. Me accept my level. No, me not afraid of poor. Now sell my soul to no devil. I'm not afraid to be poor. Me accept my level.
Yeah, so we're done with our Ackee and salted fish with jack or roti. So this is Jamaican national food, and it's everyday food also, not only occasion, it's everyday food. So they gave me fork and spoon. I said no, I'm gonna do the traditional way, you know. Cool. So this is flour with whole wheat and a bit of coconut oil and what do you call it, and sauce also, and we baked it for like 15-20 minutes. This is how it looks like.
Man, it actually looks like egg scramble, you know. So you take a bit of it like that. Man, wow, man, that is nice. Wow, wow.
Dumpling and banana and food, bread, biscuit, anything you're eating, that's for good.
Man, it's delicious. The salted fish has given a flavor to the whole thing. Wow, this Ackee, man, I'm loving it.
Nice? It's nice.
Oh. Man, this is delicious, man. Man, this fantastic.
Nice.
This is delicious. Man, because how delicious this Ackee is, man, the whole country, they have Ackee plants or Ackee tree all over the place. Man, this really tastes good. Shit.
Sure.
Wrong.
Hey!
Wrong.
Yeah. Good food.
Good food.
Good food.
Good food up on the hills, you know? Yeah, so that's for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, at least to have an idea how to prepare Ackee with saltfish. And man, this is really amazing food. Try this food and let me know in the comment section, okay? Still on the Jamaican Diaries. Let's do this again for Shazam and Nizzle. Share the video and subscribe. Let's do this again, Orokodo. And I have wash over here. So this lemonade, they call it to wash, okay? To wash it or to push it down.
Ah.
Man, chili ice, you know?